Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.2.4 Interruptions. This criterion requires that users are able to navigate and operate content without experiencing unexpected changes or context changes that could confuse or disorient them. This means that website functionality should not cause unexpected or disruptive changes to content. To implement this success criterion in code, here are some examples of best practices. Provide clear and predictable navigation. Navigation should be clear and easy to follow, and should not suddenly change the context or the user's location on the page. Avoid automatic changes. Avoid automatically changing the content or the layout of the page, as this can be disorienting and confusing to users. If automatic changes are necessary, provide clear notifications to the user, and give them the option to control or disable the automatic changes. Allow users to control changes. Provide users with the option to pause, stop, or delay any automatic changes, and allow them to control the timing and frequency of any updates or notifications. Test for accessibility. Test your website for accessibility, including Success Criterion 2.2.4, using automated tools or by conducting user testing. Here's an example of how to provide a clear notification to the user before an automatic content change. In this example, a message is displayed on the page, and after 10 seconds, the message is automatically updated. To meet Success Criterion 2.2.4, the code includes a clear notification to the user that the message will change in 10 seconds. The user can also control the automatic change by clicking on the message to stop the timer. This provides users with the option to delay or prevent the automatic change, which helps to prevent unexpected interruptions or disorientation.